so fast. No, it's nothing like that. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry that I had to bring it out to you this way. But that's not what the tune is doing to my car. Alright guys, so the moment we have been waiting for, as you can already see from the box. We're going to open it up, just got it in the mail. Oh, wow. So we got the actual tuner, stock tires, stock gears, no ratio, no nitros, aftermarket exhaust, Spectre Cold Air Intake. So we got the tuner. Looks like we got the USB cable to communicate with my computer in case we need to update the firmware, download more tunes. And right here is the HDMI to OBD2 cable. Okay guys, so I just received my Cold Air Intake from AmericanMuscle.com, and I kid to you not, this is exactly how the box showed up to my front door. There's a big gash here. There was no tape on. I'm not sure if all the hardware inside is there or not, but I've taken pictures and emailed them over to AmericanMuscle.com. Honestly, this is not how I was wanting my order to be shipped, and this is not how I imagined it receiving, and quite honestly, Zeus isn't too happy either. Right, Zeus? Yeah, he's not too happy right now. It seems like I have everything that I would need that should have came in the box. The intake is there. My clamps are there. My connectors are there. Couplers are there. Got my vacuum line hose there. And of course, got my filter. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and start putting everything together. And Alright, so we're getting ready to install the intake. I've got the hood open. Before I could do that, I'm trying to put this heat shield, well, the seal for the heat shield on. I guess it's called the dress heat shield, the rubber seal, I'm sorry. So I'm putting this rubber seal on the heat shield. And what do you think so far?
The instructions are really poor. Like, they're really hard to work with.
They haven't done a good job with the instructions at all. I don't know who wrote these, but I think Spectre could have done a little bit better job explaining everything. Alright guys, so we've went ahead and installed the rubber sealing around the heat shield, so all the corners are protected. You will need a plier or a really strong pair of scissors to do this. So the instructions didn't really say where to put the shield. We kind of just copied what the pictures were showing. So here it is. Let's go to the next part. Okay guys, so the intake is in. So far I have not installed the tune yet, but right away, for some reason the car just sounds so much healthier. Like, it sounds so much meaner. I can hear the front end of the car more, the front engine motor, the motor sound more. Alright guys, we're inside the Mustang driving around with the cold air intake. No tune so far. But not too much, but somewhat the throttle response has changed. And the way the car picks up, it definitely sounds meaner. Alright, so we've been doing some local driving right now after installing the cold air intake. Have not put the tune on yet. I bought two tunes, a 91 octane performance tune and a 91 octane race tune. I'm gonna start off with the performance tune and see where that takes us. Okay, the car is going crazy right now. Clearing DTC. Download complete. Tune has been programmed successfully to your vehicle. Turn key off. Here's the very first start to the car after installing the 91 octane performance tune. The very first start. Okay. It's not breathing normal. The car's trying to figure itself out right now. The car's like shaking. Take the battery pack off. Turn the unplug it first. Yeah, unplug it first. It got better, right? Yeah, they said for the first 50 miles, the car's gonna act weird. The car's gonna act weird. It's trying to learn the tune. But let's go out for a drive and see what happens. Okay, so cold air intake is in. 91 BAMA 91 performance tune has been uploaded. The car has been driven a little over 50 miles, just so the car can get used to the tune, the ECU can learn everything. Woohoo! Ah! Oh my god, my car is so fast! Woo! Oh my god! No, it's nothing like that. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry that I had to bring it out to you this way. But that's not what the tune is doing to my car. And I don't know why, while I was watching all the videos on YouTube about other V6 owners who have put a BAMA tune on their vehicle where they claim that their car is like rocket fast now, it drives like the GT, or it feels like there's a turbo in the car. Yeah, guys, quit it. That's not what the 91 performance tune does. So for about 4 or 5 months I was running the car on my MagnaFlow Axleback race competition series without a tune, no cold air intake. That was the only mod I had done to the car. And I will say that, sure, the car sounded more aggressive, but at the same time, my RPMs were going weird for some reason, and I don't know why. So I decided to go ahead and order a cold air intake. So I got the Spectre Cold Air Intake put in, and first I ran the car without the tune. Even though I had the tune, I ran it without the tune because, as stated by Spectra, that cold air intake does not require a tune to be installed in my 3.7 V6. So after putting the cold air intake on, I'm definitely going to say the car started sounding much meaner. However, I was noticing that the cold air intake alone was not doing much performance-wise. So now my car is breathing better from the front, and it's letting air out better from the back. But I wasn't really feeling it. This is what happened after I put the tune on. So I went ahead and put the BAMA tune on the vehicle, and right away I noticed that my car sounded much stronger. It sounded like a healthy car. It sounded like a healthy, strong car. My RPMs and at idle were steady, right about 650 to 700, 750, right around there. Overall, the exhaust sounded better. The cold air intake in the front was sounding better. So the tune did that. Now, the videos I've seen where people are going crazy about how their tune makes their car super fast and oh my god, it's so hard to control, and the oh my god, that doesn't happen, guys. And I don't know why people, maybe it's just me or my car, but a cold air intake and a muffler delete exhaust with a 91 performance tune from BAMA is going to do this. It will calibrate everything and make it work together, where the cold air intake has been taken into consideration, my exhaust has been taken into consideration, my throttle response got better, my transmission shift points got better. The car felt more like it should have. Yeah, on the lower RPMs, I definitely felt more responsiveness. The car was acting better. Now this is what I want to do. I want to get headers, and I want to get rid of more restrictiveness from the exhaust from the cat's back. And I want to go with an MPT tune. Why? Because everybody's saying MPT, 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 and how they're just the best tune out there for the 3.7. So, keeping that in mind, my next move is to get either shorty or long tube headers, get rid of the restrictiveness of the exhaust, and go with an MPT tune. Why I went with BAMA? Listen, for the first time you modding your car, for the first time you modding your Mustang, and putting everything together, BAMA is not a bad choice. Why? They have a really good customer support. They send out the device to you within the promised date. It comes with the tune preloaded. It's plug and play. It calibrates everything. It does everything that BAMA promised it to do. Any mods that you do, any upgrades they do to your car, you get free tunes for life for that. So BAMA has its perks. Right now I'm running on my 91 performance tune, and I just want to say it's made the car stronger. It's definitely calibrated everything and brought it together to work as a team. Everything is united. Everything is working in sync with each other. My shift points are more aggressive. I can go from a dead stop to 60 much faster. But it's not where I see these videos of people going crazy and like screaming their hearts off, like, oh my god, I can't control my car. Maybe if I get a different tune, maybe if I do some more mods, I'd like to feel that way in a V6. But I pretty much like what the tune has done. I pretty much like the cold air intake. And I wanted to give my honest opinion about it. So all you guys who are just acting like the tune has like done wonders to your car and you guys upload videos, guys, stop it, because you know that doesn't happen. The tune did what it was supposed to. I'm gonna go ahead and upload my 91 race tune, which is supposed to be more aggressive, and BAMA team told me it's not recommended for daily driving or street driving. So I will upload that and I'll see what the difference is. For now, guys, this was my little review of the BAMA tune. Keep an eye out for the next video.